Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Ngayon po magluluto tayo ng pork chop at gagamitin natin ang ating Korean BBQ sauce. Kung bago ka sa aming channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will get notified for more videos. Thank you so much and please enjoy watching. Sana po nagustuhan ninyo ang ating napakasimple at napakadaling luto ng pork chop with Korean barbecue sauce. Kung nagustuhan po ninyo, please give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and please subscribe. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much and I will see you next time. God bless everyone!